Come test drive the 2020 Mazda CX-9. This 7-passenger crossover boasts unexpected styling, a powerful yet fuel-efficient engine, and standard luxuries. Safety also comes standard with the CX-9's 5-star governmental frontal and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, captain chairs, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, heated front seats, power windows, trip computer, compass, Sirius satellite radio, brake assist, tachometer, leather upholstery. Your new ride is just a phone call away.